Hey, morning, folks, and happy Monday. Hope everyone's had a good weekend and had a great week last week. I haven't been around, just trying to catch up myself. But for today, really quick one, just a couple of things I need to mention and highlight before we get into the US session. Today, we have the OPEC Plus meeting that usually happens half one. It starts with JMMC meeting, and then the OPEC Plus meetings members basically go into the room. But we've heard rumors so far that they will be considering 100,000, if I'm not mistaken. Let me just check that again, because big number, if I'm not mistaken. So about 100,000 um, to get cut because of basically to stabilize the oil market. And we are seeing the Dixie just rally. We've touched 110s on the dollar index, a first since June 2002, which is a big deal. um, Speaking of that, I mean, that is because the worsening energy crisis that is happening in Europe at the moment. But the ECB and basically the powers that be in Europe, they are planning to go into talks about a price break. So hopefully that, I mean, it's not going to solve that problem, but slows it down. Hopefully, it's a really pretty scary situation going on there. But continuing on, so with the Dixie being so expensive, this sort of puts a pinch, obviously, like a bit of pressure on crude prices. But if they go for that cut, now I do suspect we might be seeing, because as you can see here, very clear resistance over on the 89.69s. We break above, trades above 90s. I do think we could, go back to levels we've seen before in the prior weeks over here. Really huge ranges, as we can see here, like weekly basis. But this shows this sort of just traders mulling what is going to happen for on the as a result of the OPEC meeting today. So as you know, again, I'm mentioning really big deal, because the OPEC either needs to come out and say, okay, we're going to do this now, and we're going to, we're ready to go further if we actually need it. So that is it for me today. Any questions at all, hit me up in Discord, email me, my Twitter feed, basically. Be sure to check out the morning read. I'll come up with a much more comprehensive, basically notes for the week ahead, and look at more technicals tomorrow. Today is just a bit of a rush. Our head of trading team's not in as well. Quiet day apart from OPEC Plus. Not expecting any surprises. I do think, we will be getting a stern, basically result out of the OPEC Plus meeting. They've been saying this for, I think, about 2 weeks now, that they're ready to sort of come in and save the crude market. So this is Reed with the daily briefing. Cheers.